Hi, I am the doctor. Today's patient is 2014 Ford Focus oil change. I'm going to show you how to do it and what tools you need. These are the tools you need right here. You need a ratchet, 15 millimeter, and my oil pliers right here, especially for oil. You see oil filters right here. You got this in a deal at AutoZone. Quaker State 520 synthetic, and the filters right there. It's a S36 14XL. That's the brand of going for this car. That's what it needs. Now let's get to it. I already jacked up the car to get it in the air. All right. Jack stands everywhere. Now we're gonna get under here right here. I got my oil pan already sitting under here. Catch the oil. As you can see, the drain plug is right here. It's right here. When we put it on right here, right there. There it is. Just a little slide. Don't have to gorilla, force it or tighten it. It's just a drain plug. It's simple. Put my oil pan right here. Right here to catch it, just like that. Share it right. There we go. See, this is way overdue for oil change. See how black that is? All right. Look at the drain plug right here. I'm gonna wipe it down and inspect it. Okay. See the drain plug? It's nice, good condition. Has a little built-in washer right in there. So just let it finish draining out. Just about had it right there. There we go. This is a 2.0, 4-cylinder. When you look under here, everything looks good. The filter's right here. It's right here. Just gonna put those pliers on right here, turn it, and that's all it is. It's a very simple job, very simple procedure.
Then you gotta be patient with it to make sure you don't leave any oil inside.
Yes, you do. Very patient. That is Mrs. Doctor talking right there. You can't be frustrated, just be patient. Now it's coming out right here. You see it's the wind starting to blow it everywhere. And you're just about done. But that doesn't mean that you got it all. You still got to take out the filter right here. And oil will be jumping from right here. There we go. Get all little drops. There we go. Getting out. Right. That back, push it tighten. Like I say, you wanted to get it in there snug. You never want to real tighten it to strip it or even try to damage this drain plug in any way, shape, or form. See, now it's going in. See, one more time. There. That's it. Now, that's that. Now, we'll slide that up right there. I've got a good lock on with pliers. This one's been there for a while, nice and tight. I always want a situation like this. Here we go. You could have stabbed it in the middle there, just the oil drain out, some pressure. But I don't like doing it like that because then it can fly everywhere. There you go. Here's the one I just took out. Now this is what I'll be putting on. What you always want to do, you want to put the little dabs of the fresh oil you got right here. Stick your finger in there, like that. Rub it around right in there. Some more of the fresh new oil, just to lube it up like that. Now, take a look up here, clean it up. Take the new oil, see how clean it is now. Hand tighten it best you can. And then give it a little tight. There it is. It is in there installed. Oil filter, drain pump's doing good. Now, let's pour in the oil. Put a funnel right there. There you go, right here. This is a full synthetic 520. You just hold it like that and you pour it in right here, just like that. Look at how clear it is. See, the oil came out, it was black. Very black, well overdue for an oil change. This is full synthetic 520. So you got right here, this is disconnect fuse. You can see right here on the side where it says 2.5. Let's see, 4 quarts, 5. Now, this is 4.5, and then check it. As you see the oil right there? Okay. Here we go now. oil in your oil recycle bucket right there. Take it to your Pep Boys or AutoZone and dump it into an oil bin. You won't know in or not. See that? Another patient has successfully succeeded the operation. Oh, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. I am here to answer any question. Peace and have a nice day.